Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML entities, and right now we'll be discussing about some mathematical symbols supported by HTML entities. So quickly, let me show you how this works. If you want to write this kind of sign, you are going to use this, or you can use this. If you notice very well, in our previous tutorial we discussed how you can use it in hexadecimal way, but this way we are just using it in number way and the alphabetical way. So I just want you to understand it. In decimal way and the alphabetical way is the one we are using right now, because let's say you use and symbol along with part, and you close it with semicolon, you are going to have this kind of symbol. So let me show you how this works. All this you are seeing from up to down, they are all mathematical symbol. This sign here is for all. This sign here is partial differential, and this sign you are seeing right here is there exists. And also this sign you are seeing here is for empty sets, and this one here is nabla sign, nabla symbol, and this one is element of, and this one is not an element of. This one you are seeing right here is contains as member. This one right here is nari product, and this one you are seeing here nari summation. So we are having a lot of them like that, mathematical symbols that you can use as part of the HTML, from the part of the HTML entities that you can use in your document in case you need mathematical symbols in your document. This one, I think you have been seeing this one in some advanced mathematical textbooks like that. I'm going to show you how this looks now in our document. So we are just going to use sum because it's a sum symbol. I know it. So let me go and use that in our document. In our previous tutorial, this is what we got. We are display only one entity symbol with different ways. I did this in alphabetical way, this one decimal way, this one hexadecimal way, and they display the same thing. So this one now we are trying to do, you can check our previous tutorial on HTML entities, so you can see some stuff I've explained about it, so you can understand it deeply. So right now I'm going to use the sum element. So let me delete all this one I'm having right here. I'm just going to delete all this one from the top, from the bottom here. So I'm just going to use inside this p tag right here. I'm just going to use let me use 1 million. When I write 1 million like that, I can just say let me just leave it like that. And write the entity. When we want to write entity, don't forget you need your and symbol. After the and symbol, you can write your whatever. Right now I want to use sum and close it with this thing. So when I write it like that, you are going to see the million. You are going to see the way it's going to look. All this one will disappear because I don't want, I've deleted them. Only this one and the new thing that we wrote is going to appear. Can you see how the symbol looks? This is the symbol. So let me show you the symbol clearly so you can understand what I'm talking about. Let me save my document. So just in case you want to use the symbol, you can use it. Can you see how it looks? It looks nice, as you can see. So, and you can use, there are some other symbols also you can use prod. This one is prod. Let me show you how this works. This one is looking like the pie. So let me show you. Let's reload our document. Can you see how it looks? Let me break the line so you can see what is going on inside. All these things, they have benefits, as you can see. So in your project you may need anything like this. So it's part of the HTML entities. Just go inside the HTML entities, then you can find some of it and use it anytime, anyhow you want. So, and there is this one also here, right here. I love all this one, that's why I'm using them. Let me use this empty set so you can see how it looks on its own. There are a bunch of them, there are a lot of them like that. So I'm going to use the empty set. Let me use the empty set. When I use the empty set, don't forget to close it like this with your semicolon and reload your. Can you see the way the empty set looks? So you can use them in your document if you need them anytime. So Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.